let's get a look at final wiring. Okay, let's see here. We got, this is a Trainmaster with 280. Here's a GP60 with the Revolution 1. Okay, let's look under the tape. All right, let's zoom in. Okay, so I got the decoder right there. I'm just putting a piece of paper tape over them. Okay, so there's our little circuit board that we make. 2 pads for motor. Then we've got power coming in. And we've got yellow, blue, white for lights. And we've got 2 2-pin connectors. I had to put them on a separate little PC board because they were giving me so much trouble. We got a bridge rectifier for constant lights, which is, right now it's just a cab light. And I had buzzing noise coming from the bridge rectifier. And so first thing I tried was, instead of, there's 2, these surface mount lights like that right there. Okay, I had some buzzing noise. I thought, okay, well maybe I need to just add another light and that'll clear it up, because this is the only one that did it. Nope, that didn't work. So what I did was I put a capacitor over the so as you know, power comes in, doesn't matter which side, and then power comes out, red side, black side, and I put a capacitor over the out before the lights, and I cleared up the buzzing sound right away. And now when you power down, the lights stand for just a second and then they fade out. Not too bad. Okay, so then I'm going to cover this up with paper tape. You can use electrical tape, but I don't like it. It's too sticky. Okay, then one thing I got to solve is I got to do a little work here to give the trucks more up and down. We'll get that fixed. I think it might be just loosening up the shaft a little bit. It just feels just a bit on the tight side. No problem. Okay, and then inside here, I got it all covered up with tape. But what we got under here is an LED with 2 fiber optics. They come out right there. Yellow LED. Same in the back. 2 fiber optics, yellow LED. I got just a little bit of lead weight in there. And then I have beacon. Okay, so the 2-pin connectors, one's for the headlights and one's for the beacon. And they have that same configuration as we got here. Little PC board, 1K resistor, 1K resistor, 2-pin connectors, and that takes care of. Now I can take the shell off without, I don't have to unsolder wire. I can just connect them to the 2 slots. And I have them marked red and black on both of them, so because that's the color Sharpies I have. So that's how they just plug in, and they're color coded. And works great. We'll do some testing in a little while here. So this one's ready. Move him. And the Trainmaster. Trainmaster does not have the buzzing sound on his bridge rectifier, so he didn't need a capacitor. Same setup, same circuit board, everything same. Inside, same. Except he's got 2 big LEDs for headlights and rear lights. And I turned those down on the lathe to make them fit the socket perfect. And then he's got his beacon up here. Okay, that is an overview of the wiring. Now, I really loaded it down with lead weight. So I'm going to build an enclosure to go around that. And that'll be our fuel tank. It'll be sweet. He's going to have an enormous fuel tank. All right, moving on.